All right. So yeah, hi guys. The update for today is that I applied. Oh, sorry. I guess I registered for CAT 2024, and it was a long process to check the GDPI PI location. A long process. So I guess there is no going back from this. Now we should give CAT. So already registered and paid the fees. At least for the fee, we should give it. No going back. Not that I would go back, but still just telling you guys. And apart from that, what I did. Apart from that, we completed selection and distributions from LRDI, and also all the basics of DI is done. Now we will start with the proper cat level sets. And apart from that, yeah, in quants, the algebra is going quite well. I covered all the basics as of now, and we will start with the proper topics from today, right now, after recording this video. And apart from that, in VRC, I'm doing RCs. The CAD is completed, so I will start doing previous year mocks, RCs, and also we will start giving sectionals. Every day we will give one sectional of each topic. Maybe I won't give quants so soon. Maybe after 2 weeks I will start giving quants. Even LIDA after a week, but we will start giving VRC sectionals because we have to give 30 mocks also. So there are almost roughly 90 days, 30 mocks, 60 days. Will be left, and in those 30 mocks, 30 days will be left. Yeah, perfect. Last 10 days I won't give any mocks. So okay, that's too far-fetched as of now. But yeah, we will start giving sectionals altogether. And yeah, that is it for today, guys. If you have any doubts, just drop it down in the comment section, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.